Hi guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Apple ID locked. So guys, if your Apple ID has been locked when you open your App Store for downloading apps and facing this type of issue, you can't download because your account has been locked. So guys, you can easily unlock this Apple ID. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all, you need to go back. And guys, after going to back, you need to open your settings in your iPhone, and guys you need to open your Apple ID here. And guys, after this, simply you need to click on sign in and security. And guys, after this you will find this type of interface. So guys, simply you need to click on change password. And guys, after clicking on it, you need to wait for a few seconds. So guys, maybe it takes time. So guys, now you can see here you need to put passcode of your iPhone that you are using for unlock this phone. So guys, here you need to enter your new password, and below you need to verify your new password. And guys, after changing your password, then guys, simply you need to go back, scroll it down. Here is the option that is automatic verification, as you can see here. So guys, you need to turn on this tab, and guys, after doing this, simply you need to go back. And guys, after this, here is the option of payment and shipping. So guys, you need to click on this tab. And guys, if you have your old payment method in your Apple ID, then guys you need to remove that payment method. And guys, below here is the option of subscriptions. So guys, you need to remove all the subscriptions in your iPhone. And guys, after this, simply you need to go back, and guys you need to open your App Store here. And guys, after this, you need to click on this main profile. And guys, you need to sign out your Apple ID from this App Store. And guys, after doing this, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to open your website, that is appleid.apple.com. And guys, you need to log in your Apple ID here. And guys, you need to log in your Apple ID, and your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.